Hi everyone, this is Shannon with Pink Dust Cosmetics. I'm back. I went on a brief hiatus. I had a baby. So everything is good. We have a healthy baby boy. He is 4 weeks old today. His name is Cameron. And he has been keeping me super busy. That's why we have had a lack of YouTube videos. But we are back. Mom's nannying. And we have makeup to cover. Today I'm going to do a quick, easy summer look for you guys using our BB cream. We're relaunching our BB cream for summer. Ta-da! It's a super lightweight, kind of very moisturizing foundation that can be light to medium coverage. It's great for summer. It keeps you really hydrated and just kind of gives you that evened out, flawless, kind of dewy skin tone that everybody loves. So it's great, especially for new moms who have no time. You can just squirt it in your hands, rub it all over your face. It's super easy. Or you can use a brush and kind of lather it on, whatever you want. So that being said, let's get started because I have a baby sleeping. So we're going to start with concealer always. No matter what I'm doing, I always start with concealer. I'm not going to focus too much on eyes in this video because this is just going to kind of be like out the door, dewy, fresh, going to the beach, summer look. Maybe add like a pop of a bright lip if we want to. Always start with concealer no matter what I'm doing, where I'm going. I always have to have concealer. I use light medium and dual action concealer always with the Duo Fiber concealer brush. These are the two can't live without. Always put on before I go to the bathroom, wherever I'm going. Have to wear concealer. So just a dot on the tip of the brush. A little goes a long way. As you can see, the baby bags are real. So this concealer is my numero uno best friend after a baby. Look at the difference. Hi, I haven't slept in a week. Can't tell. I like to kind of drag it all the way through up into my cheekbone so it kind of keeps everything really light and bright. And kind of add it into my T-zone too. I feel better already. And then I'm going to take the light concealer. So this runs a little bit dark. So I'm going to put light on me today. If you think you're going to be really tan, maybe medium deep is pretty dark. So if you're very, very olivey skin tone, I can kind of go toward the darkest skin to like medium dark, depending on how dark you like to be. I'm going to do it on the brush, actually. I don't really like using my hands. I think it's gross. But you can use your hands and put it on like a lotion if you want to. So just start with a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with this too. And of course I like a ton of foundation, that's no secret, but you can just use kind of a dot and just rub it all over your face too, and that'll just kind of even out your skin tone. It's easy. Get it all the way down your neck. Super quick, super easy. This is the Duo Fiber foundation brush. You can use with any foundation. I'm going to just put like a teeny tiny, you can't even see it, like dot more for my forehead. And just smash it all over my face. And you can either use a powder to set this or you don't have to. I always use a powder just because I feel weird without one. I feel like something's wrong unless I'm in a really big hurry. But a lot of people like that really dewy look, so not everybody will want to use a powder for this. And then I'm going to use, I always use Bright Eye setting powder underneath to set my concealer because it keeps everything really light and bright underneath. This is Bright Eyes. And I'm using the large dome brush. And I just pat it underneath. And kind of in my T-zone. This is kind of how I do my makeup when I have the baby in my arms and I'm trying to run out the door. And it's like, I just have to put something on my face so I don't scare the world when I leave. So this is cream mineral powder. This is the one that's going to match my face. And we're just going to do kind of a really light layer all over. Just to even me out. And then for my eyes and cheeks, I'm going to use the Everything Bronze palette. This is a really good palette for kind of on the go every day. It's really good to travel with. It has a matte bronzer, 2 blushes, a darker pink and a lighter pink, and then it's called White Gold, Bronzite, and Dark Brown Shadow. So you can kind of give yourself that just everyday bronzy look, or you can turn it into like a brown smoky eye. This is the Angled Contour blush brush. So I'm just going to use the bronzer and just do kind of like a really quick light dust over my cheeks. And just kind of contour that cheekbone out. Make sure you make that. My husband always makes fun of me for the fish face, contoured fish face. You gotta do it. It's the only way you can find your cheekbone sometimes. Luckily, I still have a lot of volume in my face, as they call it, from the baby weight. And kind of dust it on your nose. And then I'm just going to use the lighter pink right now. And just kind of put it right inside the bronzer. I'm doing this without a mirror in the camera, so hopefully it's not too much in real life. And I will wash my hair one day again. This is what a top knot's for, ladies and gentlemen. And then I'm going to just dust a little bit of glisten onto my nose and right on the highest point of my cheekbone. And then you have to have brows. Duh, obviously. Or I would die. Brunette Precision Brow Pencil. It's my best friend. Can't leave home without it. I'm actually getting my eyebrows microbladed in a couple weeks. So we'll see how that goes. Because I'm so sick of not having any eyebrows at all. It's so ugly. So I'll keep you guys posted on how that turns out. Okay, brows are done. They look a little dark when I have no other makeup on, but once I feel like your eyes and everything are done, they blend, and I like to start them off darker for some reason. I just like dark brows, so too bad. I'm just gonna do a little bit of the bronzite color, kind of in the crease. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit of Toast first. Toast is just a skin tone color all over my eye. Just so it's not too greasy, this just kind of sets it. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of the bronzite color in my crease, just really quick, just to warm it up. And this is the medium crease brush. And I'm literally just like sticking it in the crease of my eye and following it around and just doing kind of little circular movements just to blend it. See how that just kind of gives my eye a little bit of depth, and it takes 2 seconds. Then I'm going to use the bullet brush. This is the kind of just a good pointer brush to either really make it in like a deep crease or just kind of use to highlight around your eye. And I'm going to use the white gold color and just do a little bit in the corner of my eyes. I'm going to bring it onto my lid just to brighten up my eye a little bit. And you can get all these brushes in the complete brush set. They have all the eye brushes and the face brushes all together, and those are basically all the brushes you ever need for your whole makeup. So brushes are very important. If you don't have the right brushes, none of this will work. And then I'm going to do a little bit of Luxe Cream Liner. Now you could do this step or not. If you want to just do mascara, that's totally fine. I mean, whatever you guys have time for. This is the angle brush with the Luxe Cream Liner. And then just a little bit of mascara, and I'm done, out the door. Add a bright lip, and boom. This is Luxury Mascara. We have it in waterproof too, so either one, whatever you guys like. Finally, I'm going to take the dark brown shadow and the angle brush, the same one that I used the Luxe Cream Liner with, and just do a tiny bit underneath. Just to kind of warm up my eye underneath so my eyes don't look so big because I have huge eyes. And lastly, I'm just going to do a brighter lip because it's summer and I don't want to have to deal with it all day long. So I'm going to use Dollface Liquid Lip Stain because it stays on all day. It's a lip stain, but it's still hydrating, so it's not one of those lip stains that really dry your lips out like crazy. This is Guava Liner to go with it. Guava goes with everything too. And there you go. Quick, easy, on the go. New mom summer makeup. Hope you guys liked it. Check out our website, pinkdustcosmetics.com, for all the products we use here. We will leave them in the link below. And stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thanks, guys.